Welcome to the DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to recover a deleted account on the Google Authenticator app. Step by step, losing access to your Authenticator code can be stressful, but with the right steps, you can restore your account quickly. First, go to Add a Code and click on it. You can either scan a QR code or enter a setup key. First, you have to enter a code name and fill out your key, which I'm going to do now. Once done, click on Add. And that's it. By following this step, you can recover your deleted Authenticator account and regain secure access to your apps and services.